WinToHDD Technician Pro is a software program developed by Hasleo Software that allows users to install, reinstall, or clone Windows operating systems on a computer without using a CD, DVD, or USB drive. It is specifically designed for technicians and IT professionals who need to manage multiple computers with different hardware configurations. WinToHDD Technician Pro includes several advanced features, such as the ability to create a Windows installation USB drive, clone an existing Windows installation to a new hard drive or SSD, and deploy Windows images to multiple computers simultaneously. It also supports both BIOS and UEFI systems and allows users to customize the Windows installation process by adding drivers, updates, and software packages. The software has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to use, even for those with limited technical knowledge. It is compatible with all versions of Windows, including Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, and XP. In summary, WinToHDD Technician Pro is a powerful tool for IT professionals and technicians who need to manage multiple computers and perform Windows installations, backups, and cloning tasks. To download and test it, click on the link below.